Okay, here we've got our shoes. Positioning, position and positioning. I'll shove these down in. About right like that. Try not to smush my shoe too much. Feel it coming out the end, so we don't want it to do that. Push down a little bit more. There we go. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna get prepared. We're gonna do some piping with the royal icing. Okay, I'm ready to use my royal icing, and I've got a 2A tip. It's a writing tip that's big, and we put it in the bag, and this is my reusable bag. Love these big washable bags. We're going to pipe on this cake. Okay, you put some around the heel of the shoe, if you can see the boot. Just do it, zigzag it up and down. Reconnect where I left off. This is royal. Looks like he's got his fuzzy boots on. Okay, now we've got some snow coming around here. Using the turntable to turn. Keep my flow going. Keep an even pressure, the same is sometimes difficult. Crossed, down. Alternating where, how much drippage. This was just 2 7 or 8-inch rounds and a 9-inch round that we cut and shaped, turned into a cake. Put a little bit down here for the snow capping around the roof. You know, puddling of snow. So there we have it. From inspiration to actual creation that you can put out the same day. With a little bit of prep work, a couple hours prep work beforehand, you can get this cake done within an hour and have it for that evening's party. So keep your eye out for a lot of different things that can be inspiration for your next event. So I'm Shelly Sicily for YummyArts.com.